part-time jobs that make the most money. What's up and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know the 3 part-time jobs that make the most money, then keep on watching. If you have been following my channel, you know I'm all about online business and building an additional income stream. By the way, I have an upcoming masterclass where I guide you step by step on how to build an additional income stream doing what you love. So make sure you check out the comment section down below. Anyway, the first tip is part-time digital marketer. Digital marketers are the ones who create and run the ads you see online, specifically on social media. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram are great places to get the message out about a new product, service, or an event. Big companies use huge teams of people for marketing work, and that makes it hard for small businesses to compete. Sure, small business owners can learn how to run Facebook ads, but many lack the time to learn how to run an effective ad strategy. Because those small business owners realize what Facebook ads can do for their business, many are willing to pay for digital marketing services, and they pay well, about $1,000 to $1,500 per client. Running Facebook ads definitely falls under the high-paying category, and it's also incredibly flexible. Most side hustlers are able to manage a client in just 3 to 5 hours a week outside of their normal job. Digital marketing is part of what I coach in my paid program, but again, if you're interested to know more, you can join my upcoming free masterclass. Link is in the comment section down below. Second tip is part-time closer. Many times people buy something isn't because they understand what you sell, but because they feel understood. Closing is a skill that enables you to ask a few simple and right questions, which eventually allows you to close the deal on spot. Why I know this skill so powerful? Because I'm a coach and I hire closers. For instance, my prospects usually go through an application process because I'm coaching one-on-one, so I want to know whether they are the right fit. Oftentimes, me as a coach, I don't have the skill set to ask the right questions. And if my prospects say, let me think about it, I'll just say, okay, I'll follow up with you then. The moment you say you will follow up with them, you know you're going to lose the sale because prospects lie all the time. But you say it anyway because you just don't know how to counter that objection. Many entrepreneurs and business owners have lost millions, in fact billions worth of deals because of these objections. So if you can learn how to close for them, you can earn a lot of money. I'm not even kidding. Imagine if a deal is $10,000 and you can take 10% commission just by asking a few correct questions. All you need to do is to pick up 10 calls a month to earn $10,000. If you're interested to know more about closing, I'll put the link in the description box down below and you may check it out after this video. Lastly, part-time funnel builder. I've talked about sales funnel in this video here. But basically, funnel allows you to lure your prospects and filter them out through the funneling process. Business owner can use funnel to upsell their products easily. If today a random stranger comes up to you and starts selling you a pen, let's assume that you're interested to buy this pen, and then he starts upselling you a notebook, a laptop. You will soon get irritated, right? But if a person goes through the funnel process, they're able to take their time to see the testimonials and what values can they get from buying the product and services from making a purchase. It is much easier to convince the prospects to buy and upsell them through the funnel because they are the ones who enter the funnel willingly. Funnel building is a high income skill which can potentially generate $1,000 per client or more. Think about how lead nurturing has affected your decision to purchase products from a particular company. A funnel builder allows you to take this approach by increasing referrals, offering targeted upsells, or promoting single event offers. Sales funnel is an effective solution that assists you in snapping your marketing tactic into place with advantage of automation. That's why companies, entrepreneurs, business owners, affiliate marketers, or anyone who simply wants more leads, customers, or sales for their business will be wanting a funnel builder. Here are my 3 tips for you, and I truly hope you find these tips helpful. Don't forget to check out these videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in my masterclass.